Well, welcome to another night in Tel Aviv. The last few nights, something that happened to the nice people of Lebanon. And this is the answer of the people of Tel Aviv. As you can see, it's a very crowded area. It's a food market that happens every year. The difference between that food market to other food markets is that the best chef of Israel are here, but this time not like last time. You can find here a lot of restaurants from the area of Gaza Strip and north of Israel that are, how should I say it in a nice way, cannot feed us anymore because of the nice people of Gaza and the nice people of Lebanon. The Antique Steakhouse is one of my favorite steakhouse in Israel. In the left, it's Yafo Tel Aviv, which is a chef restaurant of Chaim Cohen. Pixie is actually as well one of them. I'm not going to eat, although the prices of, the highest price is not more than $10, because I'm not going to stand in the line here, and secondly, I'm not sure that I have a lot of spare money because of the war, but I wanted you to see what's happening here and to see how the Israelis are enjoying life, although the enemies around us are not, don't want us to enjoy it, and some of I cannot say good thing about the whatever, the pro-P, that know nothing about what's happening here and support the wrong side. And I'm sure that when you're watching, you know that we are the good side. As you can see, it's not only a Jewish place, it's a Muslim place as well, because the people of Israel are / Jews, Muslims, Christians, and everyone can do whatever they want. It's all about good music and good food, and let me show you a little bit of it. Lovely restaurant, and you know what, it's not so, I can stand here and eat, but it's totally, you can see here that rooster in Hebrew, after Megol, and female would be boy. Lebanese are affecting, then people are not reaching there, and you can see that people are coming to enjoy that place, and it's huge. Lovely Vietnamese food, very expensive, but again, I love it because it's usually when I'm celebrating a birthday, then I'm allowed myself to go to a chef restaurant like that. Nafia, it's something from the north. I don't know that place, that's why I'm sure that it's from the north or from the south of Israel. chef Avi Beaton. It's right there. Excellent place. Again, it's not part of Tel Aviv, but he is here because someone must love those food restaurants that are closed for almost 11 or almost 1 year. Then I'm sure that you can understand it. Oh, Amotzi from Jerusalem. Agadir. Oh, wow, lots of good food. Agadir, it's burger. You can find it in a few places in Tel Aviv. It's not the best burger, but it's an excellent burger. Much better than McDonald's. It's a real burger. That's Agadir. But what is important for me is to tell you that the life in Tel Aviv is going on. Some of the crazy tourists are here and enjoying Israel without tourists, and which is the best idea. Meshek Hafaim, oh, they're excellent cheese. That one. And live music. And good beer. What will happen if the bad people of Iran, Yemen, and the other fanatic Muslims countries will send us a rocket? Then the only way for us to do is to slip on the floor to cover our head. And we will do that for 10 minutes and then we will continue. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 Well, guys, I'm going home because I'm not going to eat here, although I'm starving, and I came after dinner. But it's beautiful here. This is the life of Tel Aviv. This is the good people, not the people, not the Gaza people. This is the good life. And I want you to understand that. And if you are thinking that Israel is the bad guy, then you are or naive or horrible. This is life. This is life. We were sad at 9/11, not like the others. That some of you have supported them. Wake up, America. Wake up, Europe, and come and visit us here in Israel. Bye-bye.